Welcome back to AM Northwest. It's never too early to start planning for summer, especially if you have kids. Here to share some of the fun activities that you can register for through Tualatin Hills Park and Recreation District, we welcome Catherine Ellis and Karen Castellanos. Good to have you both with us.
Thank you.
So first of all, now's the time. It seems so early,
Yes.
but now's the time, right?
It is. Believe it or not, you got to start thinking about August. We have registration coming up this weekend, and we have all of our camps starting as of June all the way through the end of August, registering this weekend.
And about how many camps do you have?
We have about 400 camps, and we're actually starting registration this Saturday, April 27th at 8 a.m. And we also have a large variety of programs like gymnastics, dance, sports, swimming, and we're really encouraging people to sign up as early as they can, since spots can fill up. But we have a lot of registrations that come through the whole weekend through Monday, and we're always open for summer activities. So the easiest way for people to sign up is through our website. They can just go to www.thprd.org.
And where are the camps located? Are they all over the place?
We have 5 recreation centers and 8 swimming pools.
Wow.
And 2 of those are actually outdoor pools that we have during the summertime. So people have a lot of different opportunities that they can go, whether they live closer to Beaverton area or Portland, Aloha. There's options for everybody.
And speaking of options, you can do half day, you can do full day.
Right. So we understand scheduling, especially for parents. If they're working in the summer, you got to have a lot of options. So we have some camps that start as early as 7:30 in the morning, and they go as late as 6 p.m. at night. So it's a nice full day.
Yeah.
But to be honest, those kids kind of get the best experience. They get to go on really fantastic field trips. We're taking them down to Portland and doing the jet boats. We're going whitewater rafting.
I want to go to camp.
Oh, we want to go to camp too. So they really get a wonderful experience in camp. But then we have your more traditional 9 to 4 camps, and not all kids are ready for a full day camp. So we also have a lot of half day camps. So you can do that either in the morning or in the afternoon. And we also have something called before and after care. So it really is just the opportunity for whatever you need as a parent to make this work. You can be bundling that together as you want to. So
What about kids with disabilities?
yes, well, thank you for bringing that up. We've got a very special camp called Camp Rivendell. It's actually run out of our Jenkins Estate, which is one of our historic homes, and it is specifically for kids and adults who are experiencing disabilities. We really want to make sure anybody who wants to have fun with us this summer can come and find a safe environment to do that in.
So for adults too, huh?
For adults even,
Okay,
yes.
and you mentioned the variety of camps, sports camps, aquatic camps, cooking and art, dance, Jedi training.
Jedi
Yes.
training camp, yes. And you know, in the summertime, it's our favorite term of Park and Rec professionals. It's where we get to be really unique. So if you were a family who did traditional classes with us fall, winter, and spring term, really take a look at the summer guide, because that is our opportunity to offer really unique camps. We're going to be doing saber fencing camp. We're going to be having mad scientist camp. We have secret agent camp. There's just a whole bunch of variety of things we don't do during the year that you're going to be able to see throughout the summer.
Okay, and where do you pick up the summer activities guide?
You can pick it up at any Tualatin Hills Park facility, or it's also available on our website.
And there are also camps for Spanish speaking, right?
Yes, we actually have an amazing event that is happening this Saturday as well at the El Sister Center from 8 a.m. to noon. It's an event called Centro de Bienvenida. This is the opportunity for Spanish speakers to get one-on-one help in Spanish. And if I may also extend this invite to our Spanish speakers, los queremos invitar a Centro de Bienvenida este sábado 27 de abril de 8 de la mañana al mediodía para asistencia en español.
Oh, that's fantastic. Because there's, you mentioned also too, there are free summer concerts.
Yes, so besides all of our classes, besides all of our camps, we all know we live in Oregon, so we've got 3 magical months where we can actually get out into the parks themselves and program. So we have free concert series that are happening in your neighborhood backyard. We've got fitness classes that happen for free in certain parks. We've got a walk with me program so that people understand where their community trails are, whether they want to walk and exercise on them, whether they want to figure out where they can put a great stretch of trail together for their kids and the bikes this summer. We've got some Shakespeare plays that come out. We've got a lot of events throughout the summertime.
Oh, fantastic. Oh, my goodness. Okay, so if you'd like to find out more, contact the Tualatin Hills Park and Recreation District, 503-645-6433. And we want to remind you again, registration starts tomorrow. You'll want to sign up right away because we hear these things fill up fast.
They do.
They do.
Thank you
Yes.
both so
Thank
much.
you so much.
Muchas
Thank you.
gracias.